Let me show you how to transform basic bread into the most incredible French toast pizza. Crispy, cheesy, and bursting with fresh mango flavor. This is the kind of breakfast that makes everyone feel like a kid again. Start by tearing bread into rough chunks. Irregular pieces create the perfect texture. Arrange them in your air fryer basket. Mix together 1 egg and 80 ml milk until smooth. Then pour this golden liquid over the bread, pressing gently to make sure every piece soaks up that rich custard. Air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes until the edges turn golden and crisp. Flip the pieces, remove the parchment paper for maximum crispness, and give them a light spray of wine. Just 3 more minutes creates that perfect crunchy exterior. Now the magic, top with generous chunks of fresh mango and an avalanche of shredded cheese. Back in the air fryer for 8 minutes until the cheese melts into a golden blanket and the mango caramelizes slightly around the edges. That fast bite gives you everything: the crispy giving way to soft custard soaked bread, the sweet buzz of mango, and the stretchy, savory cheese. Try it all together. This isn't just breakfast, it's a texture masterpiece that proves simple ingredients can create pure magic.